heads up. Your head's down here, they will kick you. Oh, okay. The last group is the only one that probably do it better.
This has really been a fantastic experience. I appreciate you opening up, you and the family, opening up the farm. You know, this has been very important to me because you know, I represent farmers' interests in our family farms down in Washington, D.C., and I wanted to know firsthand to see the experiences that you go through every day. And so towards that end, I really have had a productive morning here. Seeing how you sequence the morning, these key tasks that go through every day. So I feel now that I'm in a better position to represent you and all our family farmers in Washington, D.C.
Yeah, and I think it's been great to, I know farmers across the state are excited that I have friends that are just excited to know that someone cares enough to spend this much time and just see some of how we do our daily lives and how we can make sure government is helping, not hurting those daily lives. So,
absolutely.
Of your experience this morning, what was the best experience this morning?
Well, you know, I have to say that the best experience was really milking. Learning how to milk both manually and then to using technology that we have. But perhaps the most interesting happened just moments ago. It actually happened right here. This calf was, obviously we saw this was just probably 10 minutes ago, brought into this world, a miracle right before our eyes. So, yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
So what was the dirtiest thing you did?
Well, as I've learned, you know, part of daily life here is ensuring a very good level of sanitation. And so, you know, shoveling off the manure was necessary, but certainly the dirtiest part of the day. So, yeah.
Good deal. Do we have anything else you'd like
Well,
to say?
you know, I have to say that one thing that was interesting and surprising was the personalities that you see in cows, that particularly Alpo. You know, I mean, there's really stood out among the several hundred, over 400 cows here. Alpo has, I think, a very dynamic personality, loves people, comes up and rub up against you, and really wants to communicate. And I enjoyed that. I enjoyed that and to picking up on the differences among all the cows.
Get to see the human side of cows.
Yeah, well, absolutely. You see that connection, that bond.
Yep.
So it's great.
It certainly is. It certainly is real.